Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. And I have some fun stuff from Temu. Temu is just, it's loads of fun. If you haven't shopped there, you must try it. I do have a code below. It's to save you 30% on the first time that you buy. You can go to the website and buy, and then you can go on the app and use the same code. It'll save you 30%. I've had it a long time, not sure that it even works, but I believe it still does. They haven't told me that it hasn't, or that it doesn't anymore, but I am not an affiliate. I think there's two different kinds of people you can be with Temu, and I'm not one of them. I buy my own stuff. I did get some PR at the beginning, and that was that. So I know a few creators that are affiliates. If you want them to get credit for your order, if it's your first time, let me know, and I'll be happy to give you their channel names, and you can go scout them out, okay? And tell them I sent you. I have just some things. You know, new kitten, so had to get some things for the kitten. I want y'all to know, I have probably, if I counted it, I probably have 1,000 toys in this house. And they go missing, but Miss Camille, she's tiny. She can get under anything. She has found things that have, you know, I have to get under the couch like with a yardstick, and she found all those things. So anyway, I did get this nice little bag of goodies. There's these little springy things. She loves these balls to chase and follow. And there's these little mice that are just, they're just like stuffed animal. The boys like the ones that have like real rabbit fur, which I can't find on Temu, so that's okay. There's quite a few things in here. There's 16 items in here. This was $2.07. So, you know, because I'll tell you, these things, I step on these. The minute you step on them, they're broken. So I had to get more for her because she loves them so much. And then I did, I got this thing. Now, I don't want to start off all negative because I have some good stuff here. And I got this. This was $4. And let me see, I had it right here. Now I lost it. It was $4.28. This was in my cart for a little while because when I get a minute, like at lunch, I look and then I come back and, you know, and then they reduced it by half price. Well, I paid $4.28 for it. So I'm not real happy about that because I took that lesser price. So it's my fault, but you have to watch your cart when you check out. So this is Pet Interactive Hide and Seek, okay? So it is gonna pop, whoa, it's gonna pop out, and it sure did. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So it's funny because the way that just popped out, I have some things that do that on my car for the sun. It's very, very hot here. We're having, you know, like heat warnings and stuff. But look at how this is. She loves to look for things, and she loves to get in things. So I have this tunnel thing that the boys sort of gave up on because they're 7 now, but she loves that thing. And it has inside, it has some things hanging and whatever. So this is, she can pop her paws in here or whatever, and this can move around and all that. And then it came with some things for you to put inside for her to have to go look for. It's got a ball with a jingle, and it's got that mouse. So we will let her play with that, and I bet she'll love it. So, you know, I'm not mad about it. I'm not mad that I spent $4.28. Anyway, and also this, my fault here because I didn't look at, I thought I looked at dimensions, but I didn't. They had different cardboard scratching posts, which are great, scratch board. Look how small this one is, y'all. I paid $2.77 for this. I mean, this should be 29 cents, but I get bargains on Temu that are ridiculously low, so I'll take it, and I'm not gonna complain about it. Like this spatula, this is a silicone spatula. Silicone takes the most heat in your kitchen. You can put this in a hot pan and it won't melt. This was 18 cents. So this should be $1.99. So I'm not gonna worry about the fact that I overpaid for this. I am gonna open it up and I am gonna put it down and see if she likes it. It has a little sisal mouse because she's feeling her way around and, you know, deciding where she's gonna scratch and what have you. So then I got, let's see, I got this. This thing I'm not in love with, but for the price, this was $2.59. I believe I got I have another one that's better quality, but I think it might have been $4.50-ish, $5.50-ish. This is supposed to hold, it says that it's one piece and it holds 8 purses, but it only has 6 slots. And I knew that by the picture, but it said 8. So you have, you know, their descriptions aren't always the best, but it's just not the best quality, and that's okay. So it doesn't last forever, but it'll hold my purses. I have a few purses, and it also can hold shoes or anything really that you want to hang in the closet. I've been reorganizing my closets, so I thought that would be nice to have. And like I said, if it doesn't last, it doesn't last. It was $2.59. So, and now I have one more thing that is like a convenience nice thing, and then everything else I think I got was more fun. Okay, look at this thing. All right, Camille just came up. This is really cool. I live in a house that I have to take care of myself mostly, and I have faucets outside. People call them different things. They're a thing that hangs off of your house that you put the hose on and then you water your garden. And I have had these caps on them that like styrofoam, and then the edging fits closely to the house. So those are, they don't last forever. You can use them a couple of years and they fall apart. Not that this necessarily will last longer. I don't know. It looks like it will. This is going to go over my faucet, and it's like a thermal, winter coat, and then I will be able to tighten it with this Velcro, you know, around the top of it. So this will keep it from freezing over the winter time. So I'm really pleased with this. This was $1.32, and you know, the prices fluctuate on Temu. So Camille has climbed back up on my legs. Thank you, Camille. And then I did, all right, one more thing that is, this, I think everybody needs one of these. And she's probably coming up to see these toys. This is a measuring tape, and this was 58 cents. And sometimes they're a little more expensive, and sometimes they're a little less expensive. They came in different colors. It's really easy to use. You know, you just stretch it out to what you know, if you want to stop it. Whoops. I think you press the button and it would, well, maybe not. Yeah, and it'll stop if you press the button. But also the button helps you put it back into the container. So you can, if you're out and about, say you're at the thrift store and you see a jacket that you really like, or maybe not, let's take a pair of slacks, and you want to know if it's going to fit around your waist. You can measure it, and you know your waist size, and measure it and see if it would fit you. Instead, because you can't really try things on there. Or just anything. You know, you see a platter that you think is beautiful, but you want it to fit on your mantle, and you know exactly how much space you have. You know, so it's just a nice little thing, 58 cents. So if it breaks, it's no big deal. All right, the other things I bought were just bling. I got me some bling. And as I say that, Camille is messing everything up. Settle down, girly, settle down. All right, it's hard to record with a bossy little girl. I did get these scissors, forgot about this. These were $1.07. These just were pretty at the top. They had them in different colors. I have one in a different size, in a smaller size. And this one I got in just like a rose gold. And they come like in rose gold and silver and whatever. And then this pretty, you know, opulence, whatever you call that. So I have 2 different sizes, great for when I'm opening my packages. I have them right in my little container back there. And I think the rest of what I have is blingy stuff. This, y'all, not too long ago, I bought a nice, very nice leatherette style carry case with 4 different tweezers in it. And you can carry it that way in your purse. I've lost it. Can't find it anywhere. It's possible that it got into somebody's giveaway. So if you ended up with it, I hope you're enjoying it because I can't find it. So I just got this. These were just, these were inexpensive. So this was 97 cents for the 2. So one, I'd really like the slanted edge kind. The other one's pointy. I won't go into it right now opening it. I can't get rid of this girl. Okay, next up. Let's do our bling, okay? I think, Camille, could you calm down? I really was liking some things that I've been seeing lately, so I thought, let me get some. Okay, so when I go somewhere, I don't go very many places, but when I go to church, I carry a bag with me. You know, my Bible is in there, and I bring a scarf or two. And because sometimes it gets really cold in there, whether it's wintertime or whether it's summertime, because it's so hot here, you know, the air conditioner's on really cold. So I might want to put a scarf around my shoulders. So one nice thing, I thought this was really cool. This reminded me of the older times, is this thing. They have this in many different styles, also in silver or gold, also like brass and things like that. This, do you remember these kind of clips? Like when you'd put your, had these clips that went from your coat to your glove so you wouldn't lose your mitten as a kid. So you can put your scarf around you and then you can clip it on each side so it doesn't fall off of you. So I thought that was just very pretty. It's just some pearls, and that was $1.97. So, and then I have several other things. The rest of it is all bling for your purse. So I did grab this bag I got from Temu in my very first order, I think it was. So this is a beautiful black bag, and I do like black bags. So I got some blingy things. Let's see if this was $1. I'm going to try to tell you pricing too. This was $1.16. This is a butterfly, and look, it has, you know, faux diamonds on it, and it has a clip. I think they're all a little bit different, but this clips like this, if you can see that, and then you can clip it onto. Well, this is a lot of purses have a little ring of some sort. This is thicker. I didn't really look at that before I did this. I don't know if it'll go on this one. But I do have other purses that it'll fit on. Yeah, it's not gonna go quite around that leather. But basically, what you're gonna do is hang it on. It's just a little bling for your purse. So there are different kinds of clips. So, well, goodness, now I can't get that off of there. I'll just leave it on for now. Okay, all right, hang on. All right, the next one I got, I just love this one. See, this one's different. Look at how blingy that is. Isn't that fantastic? All right, it says something on it. I don't know what it says. I probably can't read it. Anyway, Camille, please stop. Oh, she's a terror. She's a holy terror, y'all. Stop, calm down. All right, there's a little gold circle, and I don't even know what it says. I'm trying to see. I can't tell. It's too, it says, I don't know what it says, but there's a little gold circle that says something. And then look at that fabulous blingy diamond heart. And this one, you can put this on your keychain. You could use this as a keychain. It is gonna go like this. So this will fit on this strap. And it's a nice secure, if you heard it, it does snap back nicely. So, well, I'm telling y'all, okay. So it just hangs on your purse or anywhere. You can put it, you know, I don't know. You can use that as a keychain. Isn't that cute? I just love it. I just love it. So, and I wanted a little bling. I was, you know, I like a little bling. I'm not a real big bling person, but this one was a little more expensive with all those diamonds on there, $3.37. And then I had to get this one, $1.07 for this. This was called Cute Cartoon Cat Cherry, whatever. This has a little white daisy, and then it has a cute little cat, and then this is a little scene, a little Asian scene of a cat sitting under a tree. So, and that one is more like a key ring. So it won't be easy to put on. So that I might put on my key ring. And then I have a couple more. Let's see, I think that I'm almost done, y'all. Well, oh yeah, I have, this one is beautiful. This is a beautiful cross, and look at that bling on there. Isn't it wonderful how it hits the light? Now this one's a little bit different because this one has the ring for your keys, and then it also has this ring, or this clip. Let me take that off. That's just, you know, see how big that clip is? So that will go on a strap, a big strap, or on, like I said, like a little, well, maybe it's not gonna fit real good on this purse because it doesn't have the little rings that are easier to work with. But look at how pretty that is. I love all the diamonds. All the diamonds. Of course, you wouldn't use them all at the same time. And then the last one I got, that one was, let's see, how much, did I tell you how much that one was? That was $1.07. And then the last one I have is $1.57. And this one is just an M. It's from that same company. Let me take that off of there. It is a key ring, and then also it can clip on two things. On your, you know, your gym bag, on your backpack, any of your purses. And then this one is an M, and I didn't know until I got it at the house that it has this crown on it. So it is cute. It's got like pink in there too. I did not notice that when I got it. This came in different, you know, different letters. So Mary. So I can hang that from a purse. So that's what I got this haul. Did I need anything? Yeah, I got a couple of cat toys. I don't need them. The cat scratching thing, I probably need that. And I probably need the thing for the hose. I don't know where it went to because she's up here rearranging the house. So, Camille. So anyway, that's what I got from Temu, y'all. And thanks for stopping by and seeing what I got. And here's the beauty. Here's the beauty. Here's a little beauty girl. And thanks y'all for stopping by. Count your blessings. And again, if you're interested in Temu, just holler at me and I'll tell you more about it. Bye-bye, y'all.